Hello guys. Today we're going to learn about physical world. So this is class 11 topic. So in class 11 we have 10 units. The first unit is physical world and measurement, and kinematics, laws of motion, work, energy and power, motion of system of particles and rigid body, gravitation, properties of bulk matter, thermodynamics, behavior of perfect gases and kinetic theory of gases. And unit 10, oscillations and waves. So each unit also carries different marks. We shall start at unit 1, physical world and measurement. Okay, under this there are two chapters, physical world and unit, and chapter 2 is units and measurement. Okay, so in this 2021 we have a reduced syllabus. Reduced syllabus means some part of the topics are omitted in Python and Python wala. That's why we have under physical world and measurements we have only 4 marks. Okay, so today we shall start chapter 1, physical world. Under this we are going to learn about what is physics, the branches of physics, scope and excitement of physics, physics in relation to science, society and technology. Okay, and also we shall do some we shall see some physicists and their work, and forces in nature of physical laws. These topics are in physical world chapter 1. Okay, so first we shall try to do these 4 topics, and then we shall talk about in different episodes topic 5, 6 and 7, also topic 6 and 7. Okay, so first of all, what is physics? The word physics has come from a Greek word. I think you may be familiar of it. In physis, which means nature tini. Man has always been curious to know about the nature and the natural phenomena taking place around them. And I think you have also heard about 400 years ago, many people believed that they lived on stationary Earth, which itself is situated at the center of the universe. But Copernicus' theory on the solar system have been published. Under Copernicus' theory, the Earth is not at the center of the universe. That was the theory, but people don't believe, and it had many objections against it. Mi tikhan an oil money atira cho mitan khovel hi RC te sun te moon ten an hel vekani tin ngai dan lo ne ya khang lai hunami man lai mi te men kum zali vel kalta khan ni masel Copernicus theory alo chuaka chuta chon an dilove leite thate planets jongsong te hian ni hian hel zo ko male ti khalo ti chokta chu theory chuma sami puiten an oil ani khati lai ko fran froi tu te mi fing tak te pokhan mi thiam tak te an oil ani chu chuan anu zela Galileo te pon telescope mangina nan khan adikani ti kha an mu chiang emema ma sa chu po chu mi tan an rin saklawa an thu soi te po an oi du lo ni chu ti chuna toy song sui tai la khati hun lai khan mi tan leilung lo om dan te van lo virvel dan te van in siam dan te emo khovel ni chung chang te ar se chung chang te mi tan ria thin chak em an zir thin ti chuanin khovel thil thleng chi rang te chu tiang chu an ngai event thin ani. Man has always been curious mo mi tan an ngai to em an chik thin to know about the nature thilin siam de vel dan pathian in siam dan veli ri chu an chak em thin ni ti chun chung lai chun fin na ala sang lu tu lo na maro chu zoin chu fin na chu in develop chota ni ti chuanin physics chu zirna engtin nge thila lo om mo how engtin nge thilo im siam how ti te engti ka nge lo siam when alo in siam dan phung why kan tiang chi when where engti kun line nge khoya nge khang song zona kha mo mi te thin lunga omali chu tiang ang zir chian na chu kan che vel hra chiang tura zu zir chian na chu physics anti chu ni ta ni mo physics kan ti chu ni ta the John Tula John Brazilian science John Brazilian pui mai ni ta ni chu. That's why we say that physics is the branch of science dealing with the nature and natural phenomena ti ta ni kan che vel te kan mu thei te kan khoi thei te kan khoi thei chi lo kan mu thei te tin kan mu thei lo te lam atom te electron te kan mu te chu tiang khra chiang zir chiang na branch mo science peng pakhat chu physics chu ni ta ni he kan trafo to in karing chu physics an ti chu ni ta ni mi tam takin an ngai sual fo chu people used to think that physics means to make something and to invent something thil siam chuaka mo an tiran electronic thiam de mo mechanic thil siam part kholvel siam thiam de te thil thar siam chuak thiam thil thar mu chuak thiam kha physics tina ni ani lem lo ni thil siam chualam ma min electric current fit thiam em emo motor siam thiam em radio thia pa ta thak thiam em chu physics tina ni lo ni physics a chon thil kan chevel kan huang chi nature thil thing reng ki zir chi na riat fia atum ta ni chumo chon te khong te posima it makes some laws, it makes some rules, it makes some theories, it propose some assumption mo ka ting te kha ti frang ka propose chon I te khong chi frang asiam ta measurement nan ti chunia. So in physics much importance is given to measurement, and for this reason it is sometimes called as an exact science or the science of measurement. An lo ti hilani exact science anti atan thil hi chiang ta ka chu thil ari zong te asai zong te chu bang te khong chi frang te man ro thazok ka tuang chuak zela an lo mu chuak zela ni chu Lord Kelvin a page 1. So in the word of Lord Kelvin, when you can measure and what you are speaking about and express it in numbers, you know something about it. But when you cannot express it in numbers, your knowledge is of a meager and unsatisfactory kind. To me, to till ite the chiang faka ite the chuan I til soi kha arin tlak pom tlak thina ni ma sar is at zate mo ani phung soi fia thiam me lo til soi chu pom tlak ani lem lo thina ni mo chu the proof scientific proof til hen poi mo em te the rule ka muwa a sai zong chu tia lam chu ti zat kan an tia dik chia me mo an tia fiam thu te pon soi thin ha ti chen hi lom te ti toile sel khatiang chi te tin ei tu na po vok te po tun ma chon mi zo ten sum zong ten an soi thin mo a sum te mo amaro chu tun lai chan measuring tape te ponan te ta a dik le zo zo ka te khong dik zo kan mu chok zela e tiang khan patling chok chok po kan rule mu te kan thil mu khain chen lo the a chan chu kan te tong kan ti chon tong sei de le tong toi de om do na chen te khong a po an tir nan silai zon ten ti rei zon ten ti silai san zong chi kha bu te khan chung thina chu tiang vel chu ni a ria thiam thei fu amaro chu te khong dik fek fok kha ala ni thei lo ni chu kan silai nei san zong kha in chen lo thup mai thei ni chu wang chun ka ting kan man ro thazok physics a chan muzela tun lai a hian atomic scale ten mo light te po wavelength zong ten kan soita tiang khan wavelength eng za nge tiang zong ten an soya tiang khan te khong thazok atomic scale ang ten te khong thazok te an ti time at po atomic scale zong ten an tia te khong thazok ten hu chuak zela tu chu physics a chuan apoi mo em ani ti chuan in laws te rules te hu chuak zela physics is the study of basic laws that govern and control natural phenomenon anti bokani chu chuan law rang mu chuakin chung laws te chu chung rules te chu chung theories te chu minan mang tangkaya engineer ten physicists na laws te alo mu chu mechanics a laws rang alo mu chu te formula rang alo mu chu te ka an lo zir thina antinan electrostatics a chuan mo coulomb's law an ti te an lo mu chu te ka ti khan charge chung chang a te min chiang zokin engineer te pon Charles Chetwell te po an lo hri thei pa formula atang khan tam mai Benjamin Franklin aten track dan nai ti mai teng an lo mu chu ka Thomas Alva Edison te pon mo Edison te khan light te po teng khan lo mu chu zela a theory ka an propose an siam support a chumi chun zir chianga chun atopa chuan atak tak kha a siam chu te kha an lo tran chau thrina siam chuak tu chun theory a mangaya approve na te o mangai rules laws te o mangai formula te o mangai ta ni chu wang chun tun lai kan engineering thil reng ate mo en TV and siam don ani mo motor and siam don ani mo cutting laws basic laws am lo in til asiam thai lo ni chu ting basic laws te muchu ka formulate tur formula te siam tur chuan physics branch science peng pakhat physics kha poi mo ta em ani chumo ya kha kan thredon ani okay we shall go to next branches of physics the physics sa po branch rang zero na peng rang oma let's see these are the branches of physics we can classify it into two classical physics and modern physics the young in a tenth John classical physics classical mechanics that's mean classical physics no John classical mechanics thermodynamics electromagnetism optics there modern physics John quantum mechanics nuclear physics there nanotechnology and electronic relativity there yang hi detail in consoi lawanga yang hi zirna physics branch John zirna peng rang ani chuba ka chon thendan rang lekha bu rang hi nen chu thendan rang a omani ai nang vek lem lo ma se adik vek thoni mo thendan rang oma I John in hang te po hi thendan chikhat lenia mechanics too it is about the subjects of motion and its causes and thermodynamics heat and temperature sa lampang le in lum le dan temperature te zirna nia vibration and wave phenomena mo ka ting kha omboka optics omboka light chungchang zirna electromagnetism relativity and quantum mechanics te kha omboka chu lo chu ting lo chuan yang hian then dan omboka ni yang hian physics and classical and modern classical and mechanics under mechanics nichina han classical mechanics tarlan ringot ania tuna chon statics and dynamics omle dynamics then leni kinematics and kinetics omle thani e kinematics and kinetics class 11 na in zero don boktani unit 2 kinematics in zero don rang ani tiang khan then dan rang thermodynamics optics acoustic astrophysics te quantum mechanics atomic physics nuclear physics molecular physics high energy physics te pon la tile ta condensed matter physics te atamani heng peng rang hi adik vek thowa hi chuan kan lekha buai ro chuan I Uttam Tripathi ron compile thar ABC of physics sa tho hian a in ziak lem lowa a in thendan sang kha amaro chu Satish K Gupta ji amma sa zoka khan ABC of physics sa tho khan tiang hian lian pui pangai doron thena hei po hi dik thoni apom thei vekani what are the branches of physics and in hemi panga kan ji hian dika kan pomang so mechanics for Newtonian mechanics the theory of motion of material objects at low speeds speed mong zoka kal zirna mo thil chereng reng speed mong zo kal hi mechanics Newton laws of motion te pom han tlak ve ka heta hi chon motor chevel te machine plant te sabat thok te in thermodynamics the theory of heat temperature and behavior of a system with a large number of particles nia eng hi sa le vot no in lum le chevel an in chu borok sa chung chang zirna ni lum te pok an te theng chu electromagnetism the theory of electricity magnetism and electromagnetic radiation te ta hian electricity chungchang te magnetism chungchang te zirna hani ber chu electromagnetism khai convex relativity to the theory of invariance in nature and the theory covering the motion of high speed moving particles and the chuan chu chaklu tu ka thil kal eng tlu ka chakal ang chi ang kha kan ti theng chu heng hi zir chiana ni ta Newton laws of motion te chu ta hi chuan man tlak to lo ni eng tlu ka chaka thil kal to chuan Newton laws of motion po hi man tlak lawa chu chu nia law thar chi sang tam tak relativity a chuan zir angai ta ni pangana chu quantum mechanics chu the theory of mechanical behavior of submicroscopic particles adia hei po mechanics ani chun thil chevel amaro chu motor te sabathok te ni to loin thil tel tuk mitam hu tham lo atoms kan ti ang chi te khang ho chet vel dan te quarks te particle chi sang elementary particles kan ti submicroscopic particle chet vel dan zirna hei kha quantum mechanics an ti chun itani chu and third scope and excitement for physics scope ti chun a huam zaw zong excitement kan ti chun physics hi subject phurom takani tuyom takani ti khania scope of physics is extended to all domains of life ai thil nung chi sang ra engkim no kan hun chu kan dam chen even ba kan dam chen chu nge physics chu top in ta ya nei lo ni chu scope of physics is extended to all domains of life kan dam hun chu in top in ta ya nei lo physics physics hi a huam zaw ema te atoma changa lian pui universe thleng a hom veka even biological and medical sciences depend on the knowledge of physics we know that physics talks about nature and so everything under the sun and beyond the sun is directly or indirectly related to physics at the top mine chu ti kan mu thei lo te po hi mo ni noi om zong te po hi an chu ni noi om zong thil kan khoi thei lo te hi physics nen relate vekani yana toy zong sui tai la textbook a hani lo chiar don ania chiar tur tam ani in microscopic level le microscopic level or microscopic level chun scope chu atom te chu kan rianga te mania size of the atom is about 10 to the power minus 10 meter ani or we can say 10 to the power minus 7 millimeter 10 to the power minus 7 vel chu ti kan han soyam millimeter kha thai scale mi hi in muthinga thai dum pan hin karter te hi makta duai khatin chan som tala thai dum pan hin kar millimeter khat ka makta duai khatin chan som tala chu tiang a te chu atom ani ate je chu mit chon kan mudon lo lut tukani terok te ani chu tiang te po chu a ri zong te mass te atom mass te mo a len zong te physics atang chon kan te thei ve kani chu formula mangin mak takani kan mu thei me si lo ka chon a property zong zong po kan thei ve ei electron te po tunga electron mu to tu man scientist tu mai nan lam lo atom he tu man lam lo ma se a omani di fin fi ania a ri zong te len zong te shit thei ve kani mo to tiang che chun what about universe universe on soi mind nilen zong te po the size of the sun te mass of the sun ri zong ki chu chu fe kan khovel ri zong te po chu chu fe kan khovel len zong te po chu chu fe kan tu pa ma in calcul in measuring tape nen te ko lawa amaro chu dik in khovel len zong te po te thei ni chu mak tak ni mo chun i Mount Everest sang zong te tiang kan wavelength of light wavelength che te size of nucleus te nia chun size of Milky Way te size of the universe te tiang chun an te thei ni chu mo tiang kan thil te ro te thil lian pui kan te thei scope pi zau chung song so physics chun a huam vek ani chu zero chian kha huam veka the size of the atom kan ti mo size of the atom te 10 to the power minus 10 meter kan te chu millimeter zong 10 to the power minus 7 millimeter ania millimeter khat thi mak ta duai khatin han divide taila han chan som taila chu tianga te chu ni te lu tu kan mu tham lo amaro chu he proton omani ti ten neutron omani ti te an thrat chuak veka tu man mulo tu scientist mai nan mulo ni an lam mulo ma se a omani ti hit proof an property zong zong nan leng zong te an ri zong te an te thei vek ani chu physics chu turu takani chu tiang che chuan distance of the earth to the distance of the moon kha shit thei vek an kilometer noi thum sing ret sang li zali vel ani ti ka an chu chok klap thei ni tu man la kal lo ni measuring tape pon te lo ma sen thra chok thei vek mo kilometer noi thum an te thei vek chu ba ka chuan kan hei Milky Way mo galaxy kan galaxy size ta po hi an te thei vek ani chu light year zong nan te a lian mai ni Milky Way po hi a zaw zong an te thei veka chu tiang chuan Milky Way hi pakhat chau om lo i galaxy hi pakhat chau om lo galaxy tam tak wana hian ala omani ti te ka an la mu chuak le zel ani chu turu takani chuan chu scope hi zaw heng zong zir te atom atanga universe zir hi physics chuan ati kha atum kha hriat chhuak kha mo nature thil in phum thuru hriat chhuak kha atum kha ne tani ti chuanin so we can now understand that the scope of physics is really vast. At one end, we learn about the internal structure of an atom, which involves approximately 10 to the minus 30 kg particles like electron. And on the other end, we learn about the system of size universe, which involves a total mass 10 to the power 55 kg, which is believed to be the mass of observable universe. Oh, the universe rezong omvel atom rezong omvel te po lo chu fek theni chu formula mangin pui takani chon chumi ba ka chon scientist ten til chi rang lo mu chuaka Archimedes te pon buoyancy mu chuaka chu tiang chuan Isaac Newton ten apple tla atanga hona apple tla atanga lein hip na nei mu chu chung chang ring po zir tham it is very interesting story in zir chuan ngai nom lutuk ani chu tiang chun scientist Thomas Alva Edison, if you read the story about story of electricity, Thomas Alva Edison mo light bulb chung changte then Benjamin Franklin track chung chang zir chian te ngai nom atamani shetur James Clerk Maxwell and electromagnetic theory alo mu chu dante atangkai ta ka tun lai apokan man mek dante ngai nom vek meni. So physics is an interesting subject, and if you know more and more about it, you'll be very much excited about physics. In tui pui khopang in zir chian in zir ril chuan mo physics hi okay ka teaching kanita se the fourth, physics in relation to science, society and technology. Hey chu science dangte branch science branch dangte chu branches of science dangte chu country chemistry te biology te ania khang te ne in relate dan ani ber chu in society enge physics strong kind of technology ate ka zir lan to point number 4 khania physics in relation to science a chuan mathematics ate po calculus te john physics and trang duna til tam takan hu chuak thina toy zone soimela physics the theories in physics makes us of various mathematical concept tam tak po hi physics theory atang in a low in developer, and it has proved to be the most powerful tools in the development of theoretical physics. And about theoretical physics the dan po maths atang kai maths po chu physics atan atang kai ba ka physics po chu maths atan atang kai chu ting zelin chemistry po tam atom chung chang po hi chemistry le physics hi po ran thei mi lo atom zir chuan ain kung kai tlat tin chemical chung chang ta po ka tiang khania atom ani tin biological science apo tangkai ngan ma medical science apo tiang poimo ani he x-ray technology te mit lampang mo radiology ang chi te chuan enge he CT scan kan ti te po hi physics theory atang vek ning ti khan an lo siam chuaka amaro chu amang tu te chu doctor te thiam tak te khan lo ni thunga tiang khan heta machine diagnose nan ECG te an manga x-ray te chu tiang chu chung zong chu physics laws atangin mo physics formula atangin duan chuan ya ma ro chu biological science at medical science at mang tang kai ni chu chung ba ka chuan astronomy ate physics in relation to other science la tam mai geology ate meteorology ate oceanography seismology ate then weather forecast dan te hin poi mo mani hey electromagnetic waves te pei chu tang poi mo lu tu kani mo the thing chuan in relation to the society khotlang nge physics chuan tang kai na neng kan ti chuan chin kan soi tong khan dam doilam atan po hian man ro tam tak kan man ro tam tak CT scan kan ti mo ECG kan ti te x-ray machine zong zong hi physics law atang mo physics theory atang in mu chua ania physics basic principle involved vek kan chu ti chuan hei technology ate TV kan ti te chuan satellite te tu na kan in biak na mobile phones te heng zong zong hi it is based upon the principle of physics ti chuan toy zong soi tamai la tin hei antil an in chunga te po pressure cooker te kan ne cho te kan chuma alo min mai na tui bi game ema pressure ringa tinge kan ti it is based upon the principle of pressure mo pressure cooker kan ti ka chu physics theory atang in development ya ti khana lo siam chok ta tingsel in refrigerator kan ti te po hi Carnot heat engine mo anti mang atang in ya refrigerator chu the reverse of heat engine ani ve thung in ling che ta thilati vo thei ve ta thung ta ni chu as in kina thermodynamics kha class 11 apo thermodynamics in la zero dona chung chu basic principle of refrigerator kan ti chu te chu in la zero dona ni mo tin chon til tam tak ki kan mu thei mai a tu hei gas cylinder kan ti te po pressure chaklu tukin an compressor a liquefy ta liquid ta lo changta kan man thin hi gas ani ma ro chu compress sang tu main chu volume te PVT kan ti kha PVT kan ti pressure volume temperature te thermodynamics a chung kung ka effect ani chung zong zong tin kan in chung le pon borokin lum le te po hi thermodynamics in lum le ta lum le mo vodka tiang zel khan ania tin kan korrong te po hi tin nge lom nga tinge ka kor hi lo pol nga tinge lo sen nga tinge tomato hi lo sen mo til chirang rang color te po hi nga tinge color rang rang om kan ti po hi heng zong zong po physics atang kan thre theta because light has 7 colors in lome because light has 7 colors alone awang khan ni atang motor slide train 7 colors lo pek chu wang khan kan mi chuan eng hi kal chake wang humai lo ma sela til danga alo tlak alo fu khan alo so khok le khan khami color rang chi kha te man ke manin kan lo muta tomato te pon like copy na nia chu ni tranga eng zung local kha a sen zong kha a reflector a bak zong absorb awangin color dang kharon chuk lo like copy pigment khami ama on color rang chi kha aron reflect ta ka wang kan mita sen angin kan mo chu tingzel chuan na ring te po chlorophyll te po alo wangin pigment awangin a hring chau aron chuk le a bak zong yellow te green te kha yellow te red te kha absorb mo dei aron chok ve thei talo ta a hring angin kan muta chu tingselin kan kor te po anita dai mo hi kor rong thlang khan thlaka pigment a zir zel khan til ka a tial te po om thei thoni chu ting chuan heng zong zong kan mu theina chu engwang kan ti chuan because light has 7 colors rong chi sari alone iwang ani ti ka an mu chok le zel ta rong chi sari chu kan phel rang thei bo kam hring pon prism hangin chu ba ka chuan hei pathianin rainbow chimbala te po romal far rang hian a phel rang theya tin sarzam kan ti te tianga po hin van bo ro ka hian liquid crystal a oma wangania kha khan a try dar tir theya a phel rang te mai teng rong chi saria kha mu thein lo tar lang ta amaro chu ni atang hatia lo kala kan han chun avar ve kan hu na chan chu a in line phel ran lo wangania chak takin anron kala mitin kha kha detect thei lo ni rang thau ka chuan phel rang tu nom lo chan mo chu nia zir thamoma technology zong pon society po trang kaina kan ina heti kan chevel ringot lir theya kan chuanga hei mechanics kan tina chan chu lir thei khoi thiam repair thiam hi zukal ta la mechanic kan tiang mo car mechanic bus mechanic enga tinge mechanic kan ti chu kan china po branches of physics akhan mechanics on classical mechanics ani heng automobiles ra rang lir thei chu physics principle in ngat vek ani athil lir thei achunga khol alo om zong te potin i petrol mangin alo tlan ringot po heat engine alo ni le dei ta kha po ka thermodynamics alo ni le thung ta tikhan i electron light alo enga kha khe kan ti physics branch i battery alo ne ya car te chuan kha branch pakhat electronics ani vele ta chu tiang chuan so all these things is based upon the principle of physics and which is utilized by engineers the mo mi thiam te khan lo mang tangkai le ta alo siam chok thei ta chu ba ka thil thar pon lo discover mo inventions then tian siam chok ta chuan thil lom to sa pathian na siam to sa siwa mu chwa te kha discover an te ta chumi ba ka chuan enga thil lo om mi alo om to sa tang han din chok khol te an lo siam chok khan invention an ti ve thung mo tiang khan ni physics a han physics awang hian thil tam takhi kan lo mu chokin kan lo nom sak pha ti tiang mo machine kan lo nom sak pha ni ti chuanin hela hian list tam takama amar chu hin claim te chok alani physics atanga thil principle manga thil mu chu a chuan tarlan hi claim te ni refrigerator te po it is based upon the laws of thermodynamics ani computer te po digital logics ani television te po electromagnetic waves radio te po electromagnetic waves ani nuclear power generation to control nuclear fusion te po class 12 fa nuclear reaction te po fusion reaction fission reaction te po lazirang class 10 te po heng te po hi anzir thwakin ka sia sonar kan ti te po optical fiber rocket propulsion ship aeroplane hang zong is based upon Bernoulli's theorem mo microscope is based on the principle of optics no ive kan electron microscope te as a vine kan talang thei lawang kan soi seng lawang heng te hi lo en chiang tawla mo that is all about physics the branches and scope about the scope and excitement of physics and physics in relation to society, physics in relation to science, and physics in relation to technology. Okay, so under this we have example questions like this. Question hey example and hang item question dang many questions can come under this topic. Okay, these are only a few examples of example of questions. Okay, what is physics? What are the various branches of physics? Describe in brief the scope and excitement in physics. Explain in brief the relation of physics to biological sciences. Discuss physics in relation to technology. Why do we call physics an exact science? What is the role of physics in your daily life? Okay, that is all for today. We can stop for this and you can watch another episode. Thank you.